So this camera has so many microphones that I don't know for sure how the audio quality is and what microphone is recording right now. I hope they all are, so I get all the noise. What annoys me the most on this camera is that you always have those caps. We have to protect the lens from when you move around, because it's so easy to drop this thing and then damage the lens. And it's super annoying. And I don't know what to say. There's people over here.
You guys be careful on the bridge.
Don't fall off the bridge. And so I'm here with the dog. Get the dog out because the dog wants to look around. And I want to talk about this camera. So there is the fish out there who is joining the 360 group again. You know, you did this before and you still didn't have enough. You get another one. So I can't wait to see the videos you take. And then this whole Insta thing, I don't understand. Insta360, so they have the X2 does the 360 thing, like the GoPro Max, and then they have the RS, whatever that stands for, where you have one cheap camera forward, not as good as GoPro, then the better camera forward with the Leica lens on it, and then the double thing, the same as here on this camera, where you do on both sides at the same time, like the 360. Or even the dog now is tired. You gotta sit down because it's so boring. Is that what it is? Oh, I see. And yeah. So this will be a pain in the butt to do the to do the editing of this. You need your phone to edit it or what? And the phone can't do 5.3K or 5.7K. I don't know what this thing is. It's a lot. And then even Final Cut has problems with that kind of stuff. I do think that DaVinci can do this, but at first you have to stitch it, and that happens, I don't know, in camera or with software. The GoPro has a software for that on the computer where you have to stitch, takes forever. And then with that stitched 360 image, that video there, you can do editing on whatever, Final Cut or whatever program you have that can do 360. It's painful, slow, and I don't know. There's a reason why I never use this camera. Just today, I use it just today to feel the pain again one more time. If I have to sell a camera from all my GoPros, I will sell this one first. I had one before, Ricoh Theta. That was okay camera. Now they have one with a 1-inch sensor, and that one, that was maybe would be something to think about if you want to do like a night lapse kind of thing, stars and stuff like that. But the thing is $1,000, that camera. So I'm not sure if that is what I want. Could be something. Ricoh. I love that camera. It was great. But we'll see. So I can't wait, and I give a shout out to the fish. He will have that sooner or later on his channel, like the best videos ever. And he's biking around with it, and I can't wait to see that. So with that said, you guys have a good night, and I see you in my next vlog.